On this next video, we're going to create RSS to OneNote. So let's start. Click Create Zap as usual. Search for RSS. Choose RSS by Zapier. Click the search box. Choose New Item and Feed. Click Continue. Grab your feed URL. Paste in here. Click Continue. Test trigger. Click Continue. Search for OneNote. Now we can choose create note in section because we want a specific folder. For our content to be published. Click Continue. Sign in your OneNote account. OneNote's connected. Now click Continue. Choose the notebook. For this video, I'm going to use updates. Section. Titled. Usually you can see quick notes. Title. Now you should be careful on this one. The content type for this should be HTML. If you accidentally use the text type, it's not going to publish the whole content with images. It's just pure text. With this HTML type, it's going to convert nicely. Now the content, select yet again raw encoded. Click Continue. Test action. Click Publish. Publish and turn on. Now we have successfully created an RSS to OneNote Zap. Rename your Zap RSS to OneNote. Click here to update. Click back. It is turned on. Now check our updates folder. Now we got it nice and clean. Now that's all, guys. We used up all our 5 zaps, so another zap we are going to create another Zapier account as well. See you in the next video.